तो भगवान भैरव जो भय का नाश कर देते हैं। तो भगवान की उत्पत्ति की देयर आर सो मेनी स्टोरीज। एक स्टोरी है कि भगवान शिव के क्रोध से ही जो उत्पन्न हुए हैं ब्रह्मा जी के शीश को काटने के लिए, और जब वो ब्रह्म हत्या का पाप लगा तो वो उसी शीश को अपनी उंगली पर चिपकाए हुए काशी पहुंचते हैं। तो वहां पे उन्हें उससे मुक्ति मिलती है और वो काशी के दंडपाणी बनते हैं। बेसिकली he becomes the protector of Kashi, like the Varahi Amma is protector of Kashi, so is Bhairava. He is known as Dandapani. He holds danda, a staff, right, a staff, and a shula. That is the sattvic form of Bhairava, holding trishula and a danda. So there are three forms of Bhairava: sattvic, rajasic, tamasic. And these are the forms of Batuk Bhairava I am telling you. I am going to share a picture, don't worry. Okay. So next comes the Batuk Bhairava form is the child form of Bhairava. Other forms are very ferocious. Even the Batuk Bhairava form, if we are going to do his upasana in elaborate manner, it's very, very difficult, and a good word is klisht. Vidhan is very klisht, very difficult. But again, he is the most approachable form which all householders can approach. तो जो बटुक भैरव जी का प्राकट्य है उसकी बहुत सारी कहानियां हैं। इसलिए है क्योंकि डिफरेंट टाइप है, भगवान को अलग अलग कार्यों के लिए प्रकट होना पड़ा। मेन उनका नाम पड़ा आपद का उद्धार करने के कारण, आपद नामक असुर का जिन्होंने उद्धार किया था, तो इसलिए भगवान की मंत्र ही बन गया आपद उद्धारक बटुक भैरव मंत्र। तो उनका बहुत पॉपुलर ये मंत्र है भगवान का, आपद उद्धारक मंत्र। और दूसरा चीज है माँ काली के लिए वो प्रकट हुए हैं, उनके क्रोध को शांत करने के लिए, इसलिए उन्हें काली पुत्र भी कहा जाता है माँ काली के। भगवान बटुक भैरव सभी महाविद्याओं के पुत्र हैं, और जिस प्रकार एक पुत्र को पता है उसका घर कहाँ है, उसकी माता कहाँ है, उसकी माता को क्या अच्छा लगता है, same way if you are going to approach Batuk Bhairav, if he is pleased with you, he is definitely going to tell Ma that there is so and so person, he is doing really good and you must see him. So that is the only reason we are going to approach Ma through her children. My own sadhana, and it has been Bhagwan, Batuk Bhairav, Ganapati, Kartikeya, Skanda. So with all the family members, we are going to meet her. Even here, Bhairav Sadhana we are going to do. It's to seek protection, to seek blessings, and to seek path. Bhairava is Guru. If he is pleased by your worship, he is going to give you the Vidya which he is holding. Yes, all the Tantra, they are talk between Bhairava and Bhairavi, Shiva and Shakti. He knows everything. If he is pleased with you, he is going to give you that thing. All the Mahavidyas, not just one. It's like jackpot. It's like samudra. कोई एक तालाब नहीं है, वो समुद्र है भगवान भैरव. But he is very moody. Let me be very clear. He will make you do things which Samaj will not accept sometimes. But again, that's his nature. To break your conditioning, basic conditioning. Do you know the Ashtabhairava we know popularly, even they are not, they are different Ashtabhairavas in different Agama Tantras. Even I was reading some other day, I was reading it in one of my books. So the names of Ashtabhairava are different. But most of you are very familiar with the Ashtabhairav names, Asritang Bhairav, Ruru Bhairav, Kapala Bhairav. So many names, right? So we will go with these names only. How many directions we have? 8, right? 10 and 8 sometimes. Ashtadikpal, Dashadikpal, Panch Lokpal. And how many Bhairava we have? 8. And how many Matrika Devis we have? 8. Sometimes it's 7, but in Sri Vidya, and if you have seen the 8 petal, who is in Mahaganapati Upasana, you have done na. Brahmi, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, Varahi, Vaishnavi, Chamunda, Mahalakshmi, all 8 matrikas, Indri, Kaumari. So all 8, same way 8 Bhairavas are there. You have seen those who have done Lalita Sahasranam with us. Even the new batch, they know the 64 yoginis of Devi Ma. Same way we have 64 Bhairava. And I am going to give you the stotram for 64 Bhairava, don't worry. Which I read few years back in Rudrayamal Tantra. And it's beautiful. भोग देंगे बड़ों का, बड़े, उड़द दाल के बड़े. So try you can make 8 वड़ा minimum. 8. छोटा छोटा है वड़ा, राइट. 8 वड़े. हाँ, मेदू वड़ा जो होता है उड़द की दाल से बनता है. मेदू वड़ा में शायद कुछ और तो नहीं डालते हैं, ओनली उड़द दाल, राइट. Then why it is so hard sometimes? So they are not making good. It has to be fluffy. Let me tell you, it shouldn't be heavy. तो उसके जब पानी से मिला के फेंटेंगे उसे बहुत अच्छे से फेंटना है, बहुत अच्छे से. 8 pieces of जलेबी, 2 pieces of बूंदी के लड्डू, means 16 बूंदी के लड्डू. So this is the minimum भोग you can give. अगर आप पूजा नहीं कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी कोई विधान नहीं कर रहे हैं, भोग नहीं बना रहे हैं, तो आप मिनिमम 1 घंटा निकाल के 64 टाइम्स काला भैरव अष्टकम का पाठ करें या 108 टाइम्स. That will be good.